Hello guys, welcome to the Code with Bishal YouTube channel. This is complete web development series powered by Code with Bishal YouTube channel, and you are going to learn the web development from very beginning. We will start learning it by learning HTML first, and we will learn CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, SQL, everything which are essential for uh, building the fundamentals of web development. Like after this you can do projects so that you can master on it. First we will set up our workspace. In this series we are going to use VS Code as our code editor. There are plenty of other code editor in the internet. You can pick any of it, but I suggest you to use VS Code. What we will learn in this video: firstly we will learn only the important concept of HTML. We will learn complete CSS. We will understand the important concept and practice of writing CSS. We will do our very first project. We will make our first project, which is our personal portfolio website, so that you can show it on internet. We are also going to cover important concept of JavaScript, which are essential for web development. We will not cover the advanced and all concept of JavaScript. We will learn only the essential part which are used for web development. We will make a to-do application and form validation using JavaScript. The complete JavaScript video will be in a separate series, but in this series we will only use the JavaScript that is essential for web development, but we will learn it from very beginning. After learning fundamental, we will start learning JavaScript. After completing the fundamental of web development like learning Java, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, we will move to Bootstrap and make fully responsive website using Bootstrap. After this, we will move to server-side scripting language like PHP and make dynamic blog website. This is our another project, a blog website using PHP. We will make a dynamic, like you can post blog, you can post comment and everything. You can do everything. We will use Ajax for comment posting system. There will be comment posting system in our blog website, but we will use Ajax for it so that you can post comment and the page will not refresh. This series is going to be very long, so subscribe to stay connected so that our video will make very good impact on your life and journey to be a web developer. This much for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video.